Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, i-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang historical information at value sa ating 1 cubic coins of USSR ng Soviet Union. Ito yung pinakamanipis guys na coins na aking na encounter. So share ko sa inyo guys ang tungkol dito guys dahil napakaganda nito guys at mataas ang kanyang record sa ating auction. Tapusin natin ang videos guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Soviet Union. The historical information and value of 1 cubic of USSR. The 1 cubic coin was a fundamental unit of currency in the Soviet Union, with 100 kubiks equaling 1 ruble. Over the years, its design and composition underwent several changes, reflecting the evolving economic and political landscape of the USSR. Early issues from 1924 until 1925. The initial 1 cubic coins were minted from copper, weighing 3.27 grams with a diameter of 21.3 mm. The obverse featured the Soviet Union coat of arms, while the reverse displayed the denomination and year encircled by wheat ears. These coins were demonetized later. Mid-century issues from 1937 until 1946. During this period, the coins were composed of aluminum bronze, maintaining a weight of 1 gram and a diameter of 15.2 mm. The obverse depicted the national arms and the reverse showcased the value and date within oath sprigs. Later issues from 1961 until 1991, the composition shifted to brass, 58% copper, 40% zinc, 2% manganese, with the coins weighing 1 gram and measuring 15 mm in diameter. The obverse displayed the USSR emblem with 15 ribbons on the wreath and the reverse featured the denomination and year surrounded by the wheat sprigs. The value of 1 cubic coin varies based on factors such as its year of minting, rarity, and condition. For instance, a 1938 1 cubic coin graded as MS64 was listed on eBay, indicating that well-preserved specimens can attract interest from collectors. Additionally, a 1924 1 cubic coin with narrow letters in CCCV pitched $31,200 at a heritage auctions event on August 17, 2023, highlighting the significant value that rare variants can achieve. In general, common 1 cubic coins from the Soviet era may hold a modest value, often ranging from a few coins from a few cents to several dollars depending on their condition and specific year. However, rare variants or those in exceptional condition can command higher prices in the numismatic market. For comprehensive assessment of the specific coin's value, consulting a professional numismatist or referring detailed coin catalogs is recommended. Selling price of 1 copy coins. The value of one of our USSR 1 copy coin varies based on factors such as its year of minting, rarity, and condition. Common issues, especially those from the 1960s to 1980s, typically sell for modest amounts online. For examples, a 1965 1 copy coin is listed on eBay for approximately $3.47 US. A 1962 1 copy coin is valued at around $0.58 US. A 1949 1 copy coin is valued at approximately $0.43 US. However, certain rare variants can command significantly higher prices. For instance, a 1991 1 copy coin minted at the Leningrad Mint fetched roughly $120,000 at the auction on September 20, 2024. It's important to note that the market for collections or for collectible coins can fluctuate and prices may vary between seller and platform. For more accurate assessment of a specific coin value, consulting a professional numismatist or referencing details coin catalogs is recommended. So yun guys, ang napakagandang impormasyon tungkol sa baryang ito guys ng Soviet Union. Mayroon pala itong napakataas na record sa ating auction. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.